Manufacturers cannot afford uncertainty in tank cleaning. They need visibility, they need confirmation, and they need performance. Without visibility inside your tank, you cannot verify that your tank cleaner is working properly, making confirming performance, improving consistency, and planning maintenance a challenge. This is why we created the SprayCheck Rotation Monitor. SprayCheck provides direct rotation validation for your tank cleaning machines, giving operators real-time insight into the cleaning process. With patented monitoring, sensor-enabled lances, and a remote monitoring dashboard, the system helps reveal machine performance, improve process control, and support smarter maintenance decisions. For tank cleaning applications, SprayCheck brings a new level of visibility to the process. SprayCheck Rotation Monitor Systems, built to help manufacturers verify performance, improve confidence, and make better decisions. Reach out to your local spray expert to learn more.